Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2022 Case IH 4412F folding corn head. This unit sits in Amboy, Illinois. To my recollection, it ran only one season, 23, but it's possible that it was in 22. It seemed like there was a lot of supply chain disruptions back then, but you can tell that this machine has seen very few acres. If combine that it had it was on it probably 300 350 a year, and it does soybeans also. So in northern Illinois, that's 2,500 acres, 3,000. That would be a good guess. But you saw it run on the other video. Everything works the way it ought to. Paint looks good. This is the serial number, and that's our unit number. It does come with the stock stuff. Looks like maybe 2 to 4. Maybe one is missing. I don't know. It looks like 2 are missing. But that's what you get. This is the corn head, and I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.